I've been with LegalMatch probably for more than a decade now. And one of the things that I find interesting about it is that it gives enough information, or it allows prospective clients to give enough information that I'm able to, at the first time from out to speaking to somebody from LegalMatch, I'll have a good idea of what they're going through, and I'll have a good idea of how I can help them. Unfortunately, sometimes people can't be helped, and I'll be able to tell people that. I'll be able to tell them, look, there's really no way to make your particular situation better. Let's see how we can avoid it becoming worse. But it gives me that information. And in doing that, I think I'm able to help people faster and better. Well, obviously, it's a lot harder to meet in person, and I have been very careful about not meeting people in person. But LegalMatch is very good at, again, allowing me to connect with people who need help. And during this time, parents, especially parents going through custodial litigation, are dealing with some very novel issues. They're dealing with issues where the court is not there for them, where some parents truly have no place to go. And it connects me to those people and allows me to tell those people exactly what they can do, what they can't do, and most importantly, what is within the realm of possibility during this time. In New York, the courts have been very affected. As everybody knows, New York State has been very affected by COVID. And the courts are not really as available to people as they used to be. But there are things that can be done, especially if there's an emergency situation. And my office can help people with that. When somebody reaches out to my office through LegalMatch, they're going to have the ability to tell me what's going on in their life that they need help with. I'll already have some information the second that I get on the phone with them. Mostly just to keep up with clients and potential clients, to see who's available, who needs help, who we can help, and who is ready to get that. Templates are very effective in contacting clients, especially there are more than a few people to contact. Using templates is very good in reaching out to people quickly. I say the average is probably about one a day. Overall, probably one or two a month become new clients. If you're talking about cost-benefit analysis, very comparable to other lead generating systems that are out there. I've been with them for 10 years, so that has to say something. If you're going to be on LegalMatch, the tip I have is use the system. Make sure that either you or someone in your office is checking it regularly, so that as soon as a lead comes in, you can contact them. Because one of the most important things about getting to the leads is getting to them quickly. Make sure that you have the systems in your office in place to take advantage of it. Make sure that you have enough time to follow up every lead, or if you don't, that there's somebody in your office who does. It is only as good as you use it. If you start paying for it and simply ignore it, it's just going to be a waste of time, and it's just going to be a waste of money. But if you actually follow up with the leads and give the leads that contact you enough of your time for them to understand that you're the best person for them, it will work for you.